Mom, when do we get a cat? We don't own a cat, Gavin.
Hey, Gavin.
Look at me. I'm a big fat kitty cat.
Garfield again?
Daddy! Daddy, help me. I don't know where I'm at.
Jeffy stuck.
Daddy! Daddy, open the door!
Alright, Jeffy, I'll get you out of there.
Daddy got this. Who's doing that? Let me guess.
Garfield.
What do you mean, Garfield?
He eats Lasaga a lot, so he should join.
Good.
I'm going to eat at China because I'm freaking hyper hungry. Hello, welcome to China. How may I help you? I would like 247 ramen noodles.
Whoa, that's a lot of ramen noodles. You'll get fat for this. But here you go.
Later, when Dora eats a lot of ramen noodles,
That was great. Oh crap, I'm fat. My parents will kill me.
Get away from me! Hello? Barbara? Okay, thank you for your voice. Bye. Man, I am so hungry. I think me, Judy, Hops, Claudio, and Jeffy are gonna have pizza. Let me call Domino's.
Hello?
Who is this? And did you work at Domino's Pizza? Yes? How may I help you? We would like 4 pizzas. Like 4 large sausage pizzas for all of us.
We're sorry, but your kind isn't allowed here.
I'm a human. Okay, we'll be there right away.
many later. Did you just say many later? Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Later, when the pizza arrives.
I think the pizza's here. Hello? Hi, here's your 4 pizzas that you want me to give you. So here you go. That will be $5. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Oh, and have a wonderful pizza party. You too. Okay, everyone. Who wants pizza?
Meanwhile,
For the millionth time, stop calling me Mr. Hitler. Fine, come in.
also,
I will explode. Don't do it, Garfield.
you're not going to explode. Oh, too late, John.